Good day, ladies and gentlemen. A friend of mine was struggling with forex trading, so I decided to help him out. I gave him a powerful strategy and I also gave him the pair to trade with the strategy. Okay, so the strategy I gave him was pair specific. He was not expected to trade with any other pair. Okay, so long that strategy was concerned. Guess what? After a week, I decided to check up on him. I asked him how the trades were going, and he told me that he has blown almost half of his account. Okay, so I told him to send me his trade history. Looking at his trade history, I started seeing pairs that were not the particular pair I asked him to trade. Okay, I saw other pairs. Then I asked him about it, like, why did you trade these other pairs? And he told me that he couldn't stop himself, that he saw a good setup based on one of his own strategy, and he couldn't stop himself from taking that trade. Okay, and some of those trades ended in losses. Now that brings me to the point. Most times it is not a good strategy that you need, it's just your own psychology that needs to be fixed. Okay, if you have the best of the best strategy but your psychology is not yet where it is supposed to be, you are still going to be a losing trader. The reason is psychology is very, very important. In fact, it's a bigger percentage of a successful trader. Okay, what makes a successful trader? The bigger percentage goes to mindset. Okay, goes to being able to control yourself. All right, knowing the trades to take and the trades not to take, knowing when to leave the charts and do something else. Okay, so that's the bigger part. And something else I realized is old habits die hard. When it comes to this forex trading, old habits die hard. A lot of people have this inability to unlearn and relearn. Okay, so they find themselves doing the same things they have been doing that made them unprofitable. So even though you are giving them a good strategy and a good system to follow, once they get to the charts, they will decide that they're going to follow that your strategy. But once they get to the charts, it's a whole new story. It's a different ball game. They find it difficult to control themselves, not to do the things they are used to doing, entering trades impulsively, cutting trades shorts just because it has entered a very tiny bit of profits. That's not the way to go. Okay, that's not the way to go. Moving stop losses, all these bad forex trades, forex habits, they just keep doing them without being able to control themselves. So I have come to the conclusion that if you can't put yourself under strict discipline to follow a system that you have already agreed that you would follow, then it implies that this trading altogether is not for you. Okay, because if you are going to succeed and not give up, then you need to be able to apply discipline. Discipline is very, very important when it comes to forex trading. So it's not all about a good strategy. You need to actually work on your psychology, work on your mindset, being able to control yourself. Okay, read books that has to do with trading psychology so that you understand what is really going on and why you cannot control yourself and what you can do to actually work on that aspect of your trading. Okay, so if you got any value, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.